This is Rakesh Kumar from Chandigarh Polytechnic College, ECE department. Uh, so here we are going to perform our experiment number one of EIM subject, that is the to observe the loading effect of multimeter while measuring voltage across a load resistance. As its name indicates, the loading effect is the effect of any instrument when it has been put across the any component, say resistance in the circuit. It places its internal resistance across this resistance and changes the overall resistance of the circuit and makes the readings deviated from the actual value. We will perform this experiment in our multi-sim software. This is the screen of multi-sim software. We will draw this circuit in multi-sim screen here. Here we have to select our two resistors. We will select place icon and we will select the component here. In components, we will select the sources. Here we need a DC power source, as you can see in the circuit diagram. The DC power source of 15 volt. We will take DC power source of 15 volt here. Now we will take two resistors. Here is the resistor. We will take 10 kilo ohm and 100 kilo ohm resistor here. First is 10 kilo ohm. A resistor of 10 kilo ohm we have selected here. And resistor of 100 kilo ohm second is. Here is the 100 kilo ohm resistor. We have selected our second resistor. Also we will select a ground for our circuit to complete. We will close the component section. Here you can make your circuit according to your circuit diagram that has been shown in this experiment. Now we will make the connection according to the circuit diagram. Here we have make our circuit according to the this circuit diagram. Here are some operating instructions and calculations that we will perform in our experiment. Also we need a voltmeter to check the voltage across R1 and R2. Again we will go to component, we will take voltmeter here. Again then a second voltmeter here. Now we will connect first voltmeter across resistor R1 and the second voltmeter across resistor R2. Now here I have taken a reading for the same experiment in our next sheet. Here supplied voltage is 15 volt. Now we will change 12 volt to 15 volt here. 12 to 15 you can replace this voltage. This is the DC power source that has been attached across two resistors R1 and R2. R1 is of 10 kilo ohm and R2 is of 100 kilo ohm. And we will check the loading effect of this instrument when has been placed across the resistor R1 and R2. Here we have supplied voltage that is the 15 volt and R1 is of 10 kilo ohm and R2 is of 100 kilo ohm. Now theoretically we can calculate the voltage across R1, that is equal to applied voltage into R1 divided by R1 plus R2. Here we have applied voltage of 15 volt. R1 has a value of 10 kilo ohm. R1 plus R2, that is the sum of 100 kilo ohm resistance and 10 kilo ohm resistance, that is the 110 kilo ohm resistor. This gives us the voltage of 1.363 volt. Now we have to calculate the voltage across resistor R2 by using the same formula. Because we have to find the voltage across R2, so here we will replace R1 with R2 here into applied voltage divided by R1 plus R2. Applied voltage is of 15 volt and R2 is of 100 kilo ohm, and R1 plus R2, that is the total resistance of the circuit, that is the 110 kilo ohm, and this gives the value of 13.36 volt. Now by using multimeter we have to check the voltage across R1. Here we have taken our multimeter or voltmeter with an internal resistance of 10 kilo ohm. Here we will change the internal resistance 10 kilo ohm. This is also the 10 kilo ohm. For the internal resistance of value 10 kilo ohm of a voltmeter or multimeter, we have the voltage across, we have to check the voltage across resistance R1 using multimeter or voltmeter. Let us check first. Here we have to run this circuit, simulate this circuit. As you can see, The voltage across R1 is 5.323 volt and voltage across R2 is 9.677 volt. You can write here the voltage across R1 is 5.323, 5.323, and voltage across R2 is 9.677, and voltage across R2 when you are using voltmeter, that is the 9.677. 9.677 is the voltage across R2 when you are measuring it with voltmeter or multimeter. Here you can check the difference between both the theoretical and practical reading. Here theoretically R1 has a voltage drop of 1.363, but practically when you are measuring the voltage with the help of voltmeter or multimeter, this voltage across R1 is 5.323 volt, and across R2 this is the 9.677, but theoretical reading is 13.636. You can see here the huge difference between both theoretical and practical readings of the voltmeter. This is just because of the loading effect of the voltmeter, because voltmeter has put his internal resistance that we have selected in this experiment, that is the 10 kilo ohm, across the resistor R1 when you are checking your voltage and drop across R1. This is the effect of loading of the instrument, of the measuring instrument, when you are checking the voltage drop across any component used in the circuit. This instrument, this measuring instrument, will places its internal resistance across this resistor and changes the total resistance of this node, and also changes the practical reading that is different from the theoretical reading. You can check here. Also, by using these formulas, you can calculate the percentage error across R1 and R2. The formula for checking the percentage error across R1 is the actual voltage minus observed voltage divided by actual voltage. This will show the percentage error across R1 and R2. Here, ideally, the resistance of voltmeter, we can say, should be infinite so that it does not alter the circuit current. Here we will stop the simulation and will also change the internal resistance in mega ohm. We have changed the internal resistance of the measuring instrument from kilo ohm to mega ohm. Now we will run this circuit. This will show the exact value, that is the 1.375, that is the 1.363, that are approximately equal to each other. Here is the theoretical value of the voltage across R2 is the 13.636. A simulation shows the 13.625, that are approximately equal to each other. This shows that the instrument you are using here should have internal resistance of infinite value, say in mega ohm or giga ohm. Then it will show the approximate equal theoretical and practical readings. This is all about the loading effect of the instrument that we have simulated in our multisim software. Here you can change your voltage value, resistance value, both the resistance value. You can also take here multimeter or voltmeter as you wish. Accordingly, you have to select the internal resistance of the instrument that you are going to use here. Then accordingly, you can calculate theoretical and practical value. This will show the loading effect of the multimeter or voltmeter when you are using in the circuit for voltage measurement. Thank you.